looking rock. The tree is squeaking. What way we go? This way? Oh. That last place we visited gave me the chills, to be honest. It's going to collapse, that tree, I think. The sunlight is... Oh, they say you shouldn't whistle in the forest. Look at the spider webs. Can you see them, Sean? Very cool. Okay, which direction? Straight ahead. This looks a little bit more solid. Pine cones on the ground. Do do do. Do 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 do. Is it safe to walk this way?
At some point it doesn't anymore become a path.
Really? Should we go this way or maybe we turn back? It's just a little look. What's this way? Oops.
At a certain point it turns into an animal path.
You mean like a game trail?
Yeah, where like animals pass.
Yeah, a game trail. Where animals pass.
I think it's the same place.
Oh. Bumps. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7 rocks. Just like that. Interesting. Oh, what's that? Is that a rock over there? Another big rock. Oh, it's a very bumpy pathway. Yeah, rock. Where are we? I don't know. Can't see, the light is where we go that way. Looks like it's a trail going this way. For ticks? Are you kidding me? Oh, no, let's get out of here. It's too. There's too many pines around here for them things. Are you sure about that? Which way? Ah, boy. I think we should go find the trail. I don't like this trail over here. Here, this still looks like somebody's been walking here.
Well, it's not by game trail, Squeaky, I think.
Yeah. Something moves through here anyway, that's for sure. Oh, what's that over there? My eyes just seeing things. Just like their eyes. Which way? This way? I heard something. Okay, I think we should go back. Oh my gosh. I'm nervous. What's banging? Be careful, don't go too in there. No, it's a little one. Can you hear it? Be careful, it's not one of them trees falling down. No, you just said it's that way. It's over that way. Yeah, that's the...